Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Adja Pharmacy. Yes, here today let's discuss about the physical pharmaceutics one important questions and also points that you have to maintain your examination. If you maintain these points, what I am telling in the video, definitely you will score more than 50 marks. Just in theory I am telling, only theory except internal marks you can score more than 50. 50 marks you will score. Just what you have to do means you have to follow these points. If they ask the question means these points you have to follow, and these questions are enough. 2 marks questions, refer from the just 3 years question papers, back 3 years question papers, what I had told in my previous video while I am doing the MC. 2 important questions I have told, no, same way. Now let's discuss here a 10 mark question with points. Define solubility. Discuss a different mechanism of solute solvent interactions. Here first what you have to write, just you define one solubility first, definition with example you give, and you write the factors important for the solubility. You write the factors. If possible you have to explain those factors of solubility. Then you give solute solvent interactions. Finish. If you cover all these topics means you will get 8 marks in 10 mark question, no problem. Yeah, next is a define refractive index, give its applications, discuss in detail working of Abbe's refractometer. Simple. First you have to define this refractive index, then you go on right directly you go for the Abbe's refractometer. Here what you have to maintain means, here you have to write the construction, you have to write principle, working, advantages, disadvantages of this Abbe's refractometer. What actually the advantage, disadvantages, construction, principle, everything you have to maintain. Then define refractive index. Here also you have to write the application. Application is very important in this refractive index. Why we are using this refractive index, what is the use of refractive index in pharmacy, that is also very important. Third one, define adsorption isotherm, very important. Explain Freundlich and Langmuir absorption. See here you have to define this isotherms, that is absorption, and with a graph you have to explain. Wherever necessary graphs are there you have to explain, and advantages, so you have to explain these all. Explain in details factors influencing. Same question here it is repeated. Here the same what you have to do, just you have to define solubility, factors, examples, and solute solvent interactions, whether they ask or not, but in 10 marks you have to maintain these all things. So to get basic idea, notes are prepared by Adja Pharmacy only. Down there is a WhatsApp number, you can ask me there, sir I want these notes, and the price is also very considerable, only 29. Only 29 rupees, that is 29 rupees per subject. The price is very less of my notes, only 20, but by referring these notes you will pass. I am telling that. And in notes you will get 2 marks also. You have to not buy that separately, in this only you will get. Fifth one, define surface tension. Explain in detail measurement of surface tension. Simple. First you define this, what is the surface tension, you give some of the basic information on surface tension with example. Measurement list you have to make, which different types of measurements are there, no, you have to write the measurements. For 3 types of measurements you write. Then you go for particularly capillary rise method with diagrams, is very important. This one is the 5th question in 10 mark. Then 6th one is a define interfacial tension. Explain in detail any one method for the determination of the interfacial tension. Simple. Define the interfacial tension, you give the examples, methods you have to write. The very important method we have to remain in mind is, that is a drop weight method. Drop weight method or staglomonometer method, it is very important one you have to maintain. Then distribution law, also called it as a Nernst law or Nernst equation, you have to define this one. Examples you have to write, advantages, disadvantages, limitations, this all you have to cover in the 5 pages. Distribution law, different types of graphs are there, 2 graphs or 1 graph is there. Graph means this is the graph only, which you will compare, that's the graph. This graphs you have to maintain wherever it is necessary in 10 mark. Next is 5 marks. Let's discuss now 10 marks, these are enough for your examination. You read this one. Discuss in detail about the electromagnetic determination of the pH. Here what you have to do, first you explain pH. Are you getting what I am telling? You have to explain this pH. Then determine pH methods. Different types of methods are there, and you have to explain any one. Particularly they have asked the electrometric determination of pH. Then you write advantages and disadvantages. It's enough. Then second question, explain a real solution with examples. Here what you have to do, you just define the real solution, you write the example, you have to write the law suitable for the real solution, that is Rolle's law. It is suitable. Then you have to write the solution definition also in this. Then dielectric constant, simple, define this term. Examples you write, applications you write, disadvantages you write, and just don't write the definition only dielectric constant. No, you have to give a better definition. Minimum that definition should contain 4 to 5 lines, no problem, but you have to extend that in your own language, in your own. You have to write in English only, but in your own language. Describe that one. Are you getting what I am telling? You describe, you know that. Yeah. Next is the fourth one, describe the Griffin's Shelby scale, very important scale. This you have to remember, explain with the structure. And give a note on the complexation. Yeah, define, you have to here define complex. What is this? Examples you give, types you give, methods to determine complexation. Also uses in pharmacy. What is the use of this complexation in pharmacy? That is also very important. Next one is a note on buffer capacity. Define buffer with examples you have to give. And applications in pharmacy, what actual role of these buffers. You know that buffer, what they will do, they will maintain the pH, they will resist the pH. If up and downs occurs in the pH, means they will maintain. This all thing you have to write in this buffer capacity. Seventh one, write a note on critical solution temperature. Okay, critical solution temperature, and you have to explain with the graph, very important one, graph. Yeah, eighth one, define the term conjugated solution, conjugation, very important one. They will ask either phenol water system, nicotine water system, they will ask nicotine phenol system, they will ask two types are there, they will ask from that any one, conjugated solution, very important. Here define, you write examples, applications, and phenol water system, explain that one with a graph. Yeah. Next, what is pH? Explain Sorensen's pH scale. Alright, one structure is there, that is Sorensen's pH scale. You have to mention that what is the acidic, basic, neutral volume. Okay, everything is present in my notes. Without any doubt, by closing your eye, you buy these notes. Then different methods to determine the HLB of surfactant. Define surfactant, you give here. Then examples you write, methods you write. Buffers, derive an equation for the weak acid and its salts. Very important. Maybe this time they will ask this one. Okay. And 11th one, explain organic molecular complexes. This is one type, metallic, inorganic, organic. This one organic, it is a type of complex. Define complex, you write 3 types are there, no? You write those types, then you explain this organic molecules with examples. Write a note on Rolle's law. See, this Rolle's law, it is also called an ideal solution. What we discussed there, no? Ideal, real. Okay. This you have to explain everything. Okay. Yeah, ideal, real. Are you getting? Ideal solution. Here you have to just explain that Rolle's law. If they ask Rolle's law, means you have to write the ideal solution. The next 13th one is what are the eutectic mixture. Simple here, you have to define eutectic mixture term. Example you have to give, graph. Many examples are there. Camphor is the best example. You can give camphor example. Many different types are there. You can write. What are mycelials? Simple, formation of a soap. How the soap formed, means soap, how it cleans the dirt, that you can write here. Define mycelials, lipophilic and lyophobic explanation you have to write. Formation, principle of washing clothes, everything. This you have to maintain at all. Mycelials. Okay, lipophilic, how the soaps clean the oily particles, oily dirt. These all things you have to write. Yes, this is the very important class for you. These 14 5 marks questions and 7 10 marks questions will help you a lot in your examination. Go through these, understand what I have explained in this video, and share this video with your friends. Thank you.